Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to multiply by 1 over cosine x to the power of 5 on numerator and denominator. So this one we simplify and we have 1 over cosine x to the power of 4. So this one will go inside the cube root and we have cosine x to the power of 15 equal 15 divided by 3, we have number 5. So we simplify cosine x to the power of 8 on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. So this one we can put 1 over cosine x squared multiplied by 1 over cosine x squared. So the first thing, this one we change by secant of x squared. This one we change by this one. And this one we change by this one. Next, this one we have the cube root, we can put into tan x to the power of 7 over 3. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides and we have secant of x squared dx. So this one we change by u and we have u squared. This one we change by u and we have u to the power of 7 over 3. Secant of x squared dx we change by du. Next, number 1 divide by this one and u squared divide by this one. So number 2 minus 7 over 3, we have negative 1 over 3. And now we have the formula in here. So we put negative number 7 over 3 on here and we have this one plus 1, similar for the second one. So this one in here, we have negative 4 over 3. This one, we have 2 over 3. about u, that is about tan x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.